She see money all around me. I look like I'm the man.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jayla Mitchell, also known as Natural Rain, and I would love it if you would go down there and subscribe and click that notification bell so you don't miss my new video uploads, because your girl has been on a roll, if I do say so myself. So today you guys are actually going to get to see me try a new hairstyle, and I know I'm pretty much always doing wash and goes because those have my entire heart, but today I'm going to be doing an updo. This is my classy updo. I wear it when I want to switch up, but I don't want to straighten my hair. It's like classy, cute, all of that jazz. Like, that's how I switch up my style. Like, you know how some people, they're like, I'm gonna straighten my hair for my birthday. I'm like, I might do like a top knot or something. So I'm gonna show you guys basically how I do that. I always do my top knot on dry hair. I just find that it turns out better that way. So this is dry hair. It is a little bit frizzier than normal. That is good. You still wanna have like them curls because they'll show up in the top knot and it'll look cute, but you don't want them to be like wet because your bun won't be as big. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get into the video. And where is my phone today? It's hiding from me. To prepare my hair to go into this bun, I'm taking aloe vera in a spray bottle and spritzing it all around my edges, the parts that I wanna go ahead and put up for the bun. I want to have two braids going into my top knot, so I'm just going ahead and sectioning off those sections. Now that I have the sections, I'm just twisting them up so they don't get in my way so I can continue to make my top knot. I'm taking the white peony leave-in conditioner and I'm spraying it everywhere I sprayed the aloe vera. Next, I'm taking the Eco Styler gel and using this to smooth my edges. The leave-in I used was to give my hair moisture before I applied the gel, and the gel is to make sure that my hair is laying. Now I'm going in with my bristle brush to really smooth down the hair I applied gel to. You want to use a pretty stretchy and big ponytail holder because I'm going to wrap this around 3 times, and there's no way if that was a tiny ponytail holder that I would be able to fit all of my thick hair in there. So if your hair is thick like mine, I recommend doubling up on the ponytail holders and making sure they're big enough to actually take in all of your hair. Now you have to decide where you want your top knot to be. So you see me pulling my hair forward because I want it to be more on top of my head. So getting this top knot is really all about how you twist your hair up. You can twist it any way you like, and it depends on the look that you're going for. So if you want it to be longer, you need to twist it upwards, and then you need to take a looser ponytail holder again and use it to help you shape your top knot. So I'm splitting the hair on the side into 3 sections, and I'm going to begin braiding. You want to make sure you braid in the direction that you want the braid to lay, or it's going to create like a hump and you don't want that. Now I'm taking a bobby pin and I'm gonna take one braid on one side and cross it over to the other side and bobby pin it in the back. And then I'm just repeating it, crossing the hair over and bobby pinning it in the back. This is all up to preference, but I'm taking another big ponytail holder and I'm using it to help shape my hair more. You just shape the bun until it becomes the shape you want it to be. I'm using Gorilla Knot to lay down my edges. As soon as my edges are the way I want them, I'm going to set it with a satin scarf and leave it on for about 10 minutes. This is completely optional, but I like to take some Eco Styler gel and just put it on the little curls in the back to really make them pop. Y'all, it's been so long since I've done a top knot. Ow. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video, this little tutorial that I dropped on you guys. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.